Hi everyone. In this video, we will gonna look about the scatter plot in the Power BI. The scatter plot helps us to find the relationship between two numerical values. Suppose in this data set, we want to find the relationship between discount and the sales. We want to find out whether the increase in the discount lead to increase in the sales, and we can find out using the scatter plot. The scatter plot is having a bubbles in it. On the x-axis, we will put the discount variable. Discount variable shows how much discount we have given, and on the y-axis we will put the total sales. Now we can see the relationship between total sales and the discount. When the discount is less than 10%, the sales is higher, and when the discount is more than 10% or 10%, the sales is getting lower. We can see this plot. When the discount is 1%, the sales is higher, and when discount is 10% and above it, so 11% discount, the sales is lower. So that's how we can find the relationship between using the scatter plot. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.